Hi folks, welcome back to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Today I want to take you around an installation which is completed in this Ferrari California. So we do lots of leads, we add Apple Carplay to them, we also do an awful lot of audio upgrades. We have featured the more advanced audio upgrade in the past where we build a custom enclosure, 10-inch sub in the boot, DSP amplifier, new front components, etc. But actually this stripped down hi-fi version is extremely popular because you don't lose the boot space, and the budget is probably a little bit more appealing. So in this installation, which is compatible with the California and the California T, we start by upgrading the front speakers. So it's the usual technology. We're stripping that door down. We're doing a lot of acoustic work to get rid of the resonance and to make the woofer location work properly for that speaker. So to generate lots of bass from the door speaker. In here, we've installed Audison components. We do have other options, but the Audison Voce are a terrific speaker, excellent value, great sounding, nice and sensitive, and extremely reliable. The only thing you will see when you look at the door card is the tweeter. The tweeter sits in there absolutely beautifully, and I think you'd have to agree it's a pretty classy upgrade. It is, of course, an Italian brand, so it fits perfectly in with the theme of the car. We've added Apple CarPlay in here. This video is not really about the Apple CarPlay, but I will just touch on it. So we've replaced the unit with a new Pioneer unit. We custom fabricate all of the fascia panels. We load a Ferrari logo on there. We're going to give you real high quality wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, DAB, Bluetooth, USB, etc. This can be completed in 2 days. We can't do it in a day, it's quite involved. And again, this is compatible with the California, and we have a new solution now for the California T, but it looks exactly the same. So we've added the front components in this slightly more basic audio upgrade. We've also added a multi-channel Audison amplifier, which in this case is tucked away underneath that seat. And we've added a subwoofer. Now the subwoofer makes all the difference because it replaces the low frequencies which you can't get from a door woofer, especially when driving, you've got a bit of road noise. You're fairly limited with boot space in these vehicles, but as you can see, our subwoofer sits right at the back here, just sitting on this shelf. Now, if you really need that bit of extra space, you can undo the strap and take the subwoofer out. That's an 8-inch down-firing loaded enclosure, ported enclosure. And as you can see, it takes up no space whatsoever. There's no usable space there unless you're putting skis in the car that go through the back seat, which you're probably not. And it gives you a lovely amount of bass inside the car. It really richens up that sound. So you've got the real high quality front end components, a powerful accurate amplifier, and a great little subwoofer, all combined to give you a stunning little hi-fi system. You know what, we've just completed this system. Several of the guys in sat and listened to it, and nobody can believe just how good it sounds considering it costs under £3,000 for this audio system. So there you go. If you've got a California or a California T, you'd either like Apple CarPlay or you'd like some serious sounds, we've got several options. We've got this off-the-shelf, really nice audio upgrader. We've got something a bit more bespoke, including DSP and a custom subwoofer. Feel free to get in touch with us, either sales at audiofile-incar.co.uk or give us a call. All the details can be found on our YouTube channel. Thanks very much for watching.